Okay guys, Unit 9, Day 4. G and Wells with you again here. Today we're going to plug some points or coordinates into some lines and see if they're on the line or not. So number 3 says, is the point 7, negative 1 on the line 2x minus 3y equals 17? Well, we know from our study with coordinates that this is x and this is y, so it's always x, y. So all we need to do here is plug those two numbers into this equation and see if it works or not, see if it's true. So 2x minus 3y equals 17. I'm going to plug in 7 for x, and I'm getting that from here. And I'm going to plug in negative 1 for y equals 17, and we're going to see if this is true or not. So 2 times 7 is 14. A negative 3 and a negative 1 becomes a positive 3. Negative times negative is positive 3 equals 17. Question, does 14 plus 3 equal 17? Well, yes it does. It checks out. So is the point on the line? Yes. And we just justified it.
Alright guys, number 4, you'll see like on the weekly quiz quite a bit, and you'll see this, there is a good state test question. So they're going to give you a bunch of choices as to whether or not these coordinates here will fit. These coordinates here will fit in this line. And it's time consuming, but the best way to do it is just process of elimination. So to take each one of these points and to plug it into that equation. So the first thing I would do, and I like doing it, is, here's my x, here's my y, and I'm going to do that for each one of them so I know, because it's all really I'm doing is just plugging in my values and to find out which ones go in there and balance off the equation. So y equals 3x minus 5 for a. I'm going to plug in 0 for y, and then 3 times 2, which is my x value, minus 5, and I'll do this real quick. 0 equals 6 minus 5. 0 equals 1. Does 0 equal 1? No, it doesn't. So A, I can eliminate. That doesn't work out. For B, I have 3 and negative 4, so I'm going to use the same equation. I'm still going to use y equals 3x minus 5, and I'm going to plug in my missing values. So y in this case is negative 4 equals 3 times 3 minus 5. Do this real quick. Negative 4, just bring that down. 3 times 3 is 9 minus 5. And I will have negative 4 equals positive 4. Does negative 4 equal positive 4? Nope. Same number, different sign. It doesn't equal, though. It doesn't equal. It's exact opposite. Still again, so now I got to go to C. I'm going to this one, and I'm just going to plug these ones in. I rewrite my equation. Y equals 3x minus 5. Y is negative 8, x is negative 1, minus 5, make that look more like a minus sign there. Alright, and negative 8 equals negative 3 minus 5, combine my like terms there, negative 8 equals negative 8. Hey, we got a winner. Alright, that one does check out, so I'm going to tentatively circle C, but just to make sure, because if this were the state test, I'd still want you to do this last one. I'm going to do y equals 3x minus 5. I'm going to do this real quick. 5 is y in this case. 3 times 0 minus 5. 5 equals 0 minus 5. 5 equals negative 5. That does not check out. Alright, so we definitely know that it's not D. It's got to be C. A little time consuming, but it's just a matter of just plugging in your values for the coordinates and seeing which ones balance out.
Okay.